Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing chapter conic section and topic circles. So, let's start with exercise 11.1. In the previous lecture, I have explained you how to find the center and radius of the circle when journal equation and standard equations are given. Now students, in today's session, we will find the equation of the circle when the circle passes through the given points. So let's start with question number 10. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y is equals to 16. Here in this question, we have a circle and the circle passes through 2 points 4, 1 and 6, 5 and center is HK and this center HK lies on the line 4x plus y is equals to 16. So students, in this way आपको यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स एक रिजल्ट सीखने को मिलता है कि अगर कोई भी शेप किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट से क्रॉस करती है तो हम पॉइंट को उसकी इक्वेशन में पुट कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो सर्कल हो, एलिप्स हो, पैराबोला हो या कोई स्ट्रेट लाइन हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो बाय यूजिंग दिस वन लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. लेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल बी x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equals to r square. Since circle passes through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5, so it will satisfy the equation of circle. Okay, so we put these points in the equation of circle. So we get 4 minus h whole squared plus 1 minus k whole squared is equals to r square. In the same way, we get 6 minus h whole squared plus 5 minus k whole squared is equals to r square. Now students, by solving these two equations, expanding the whole square formula, we get h square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k plus 17 is equals to r square. In the same way, we get h square plus k square minus 12h minus 10k plus 61 is equals to r square. Now students, in this way we get equation first and second. If we solve these two equations, subtract the second from first, then we get an equation that is in h and k form. So here we have third condition that the center lies on 4x plus y is equals to 16. So we put center hk in the equation of the line. In this way we get 4h plus k is equals to 16. Say this equation as third. Now solving first and second equation, we get h square to x square will cancel out and in the same way k square to k square will cancel out, r square to r square will cancel out. Okay students, यहाँ पर हम students हमेशा subtract कर रहे हैं by using the elimination method. So here by changing the signs, we get minus 12h plus 8h, we get minus 4h and in the same way we have here minus 10k plus 2k, we get minus 8k and 61 minus 17 we get 44. Now students, in this way we get the equation h plus 2k is equals to 11. Now we have another equation, say we have earlier say that third. So by solving these two equations, because both the equations are in terms of h and k, we get the value of h and k. Okay student, this is very easy. You have to just simple use whether you want to use cross multiplication, elimination method or substitution. But here if we use elimination method, then that will convenient to use. So here by using the two values, we are using here the substitution method. By putting the value of h in the equation, we get 4 into 11 minus 2k plus k is equals to 16. 4 into 11 44 minus 8k plus k is equals to 16 and by solving this we get k. Now we have to find the value of h and r also. So put the value of k in fourth equation. By calculating this we get h is equals to 3. And now student, at last put the value of h and k in equation first to get the value of r. So here we have h square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k plus 17 is equals to r square. By using these values and calculating this, we get r square is equals to 10. So students, in this way we have find the center and radius, but the equation of circle will be x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equals to r square. Putting the values of center and radius and by expanding the whole square formula, we get the required result. So students, in this way we have completed question. So this is very important question, and you have next question, question number, yes, question number 11. Question number 11 is similar question. So students, do the questions by using the same working rule. Now next we have question, find the equation of circle with radius 5 whose center lies on the x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Now students, we need to find the equation of circle having radius 5 centimeter and whose center lies on the x-axis. If center lies on the x-axis, then that means y must be 0. So here we take the center h0, and also this circle passes through point 2, 3. So here students, we need to calculate the center. Radius is given. So we know that equation of circle is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equals to r square. So center of circle is denoted by hk since it lies on the x-axis. So here k must be 0. So here by using the center h0 and radius 5, we have the distance from center to the point is equals to 5. So we can use here the distance formula. You know that distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root is equals to 5. So put the value of center and x1, x2, y2, we get 2 minus h whole squared, 3 minus 0 whole squared under root is equals to 5. Now squaring on both sides, we get a quadratic equation in terms of h. After solving this quadratic equation, we get the two values of h. One is h minus 2 and other is h is equals to 6. When h is equals to 2, equation of circle is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equals to r square. Now put the value of h minus 2 and k 0, and radius is given in this statement, that is 5. We get the required result on solving this. Okay students, in the same way we will calculate for h is equals to 6. Okay, here center is 6, 0 and radius is 5. So by putting these values, we get x minus 6 whole squared plus y minus 0 whole squared is equals to square of 5. Now by expanding the whole square formula, we get a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in the same way, we get the answer x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 is equals to 0, which are the required equations of the circle. Next we have question number 13. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0, making intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे अभी हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th किया था जिसमें हमें एक सर्कल की इक्वेशन फाइंड करनी थी और हमारे पास 2 पॉइंट्स गिवन थे जिससे सर्कल क्रॉस कर रहा था. ओके, एंड इन दैट क्वेश्चन वी हैव अ पॉइंट center, we have given a line through which center lie. So in this equation, in this question, we have to find the equation of circle that passes through the origin and making intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis. Indirectly they are giving us 3 points because it makes the intercept with coordinate axis at a and b. So the second point must be a0 and third point must be 0b. So you can solve this question by using the same working rule. First let the equation of circle and put these 3 points turn by turn. Okay, so here you can observe where hk is the center and r is the radius. Given that circle making intercepts a and b with the coordinate axis, we get the equation by putting the 0 0 in the given equation, that is 0 minus h whole squared, 0 minus k whole squared is equals to r square. In this way we get equation h square plus k square is equals to r square. In the same way, if we put point a0 in the same equation, we get equation on solving h square plus k square plus a square minus 2ah plus r square. In the same way students, you have to put the third equation and we get the third equation. Here you can see that putting x is equals to a and y is equals to 0 in first equation, we get a minus h whole squared, 0 minus k whole squared is equals to r square. Now students, by expanding this we get a square plus h square minus 2ah, k square is equals to r square. So our answer is h square plus k square plus a square minus 2h is equals to r square. So by putting the h square plus k square is equals to r square, by using the second result, we can solve r square plus a square minus 2h is equals to r square. So students, here r square to r square will cancel out. By taking a common, we get the value of h as a over 2. In the same way, if we put the value of h, we get the value of k as b over 2. This is very easy question, but no doubt these questions are lengthy, but if you understand the working rule, then it seems to be very easy. So here in the same way, put the value of h to get the value of k. Now students, at last you have to just simple put the center h a over 2 b k over 2, and so in this way we get h square plus k square is equals to r square, where r square is equals to a square plus b square over 4. So putting the value of h, k and r square in the standard equation of the circle, we get the required result. So students, you have to just simple put this in, put the values in equation, and that will be applicable answer. So if you want to solve this up to the general form, then it's your wish. Now we have the next question, question number 14. Find the equation of circle with center 2 2 and passes through point 45. This is very easy question. We have a point that passes through the circle, and next one is the center 2 2 is given. So we need to calculate only the radius. So here we know that the center distance from the center to the circle, boundary of the circle, is called the radius. So here we know the equation of circle, x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared is equals to r square. Since the center lies is on 2 2, so we put 2 and 2 in the place of h and k. And so by using the distance formula of center and point on the circle, we get the radius. So here we have the distance formula, 4 minus 2 whole squared plus 5 minus 2 whole squared is equals to r square, and if we apply the root of square to the left hand side, we get r is equals to square of 2 plus square of 3. In this way radius becomes under root 13. Now putting the value of r in equation first, okay, so we get x minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 2 whole squared is equals to square of under root 13. So in this way students, we get the equation on simplify, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equals to 5, which is required equation. Here we have next question, question number 15. This is the last question of this exercise. First, you should know that if a point lies inside the circle, then its distance from the center must be less than the radius. Suppose students, if a point lies outside the circle, then its distance must be greater than the radius. If a point lies on the boundary, then its distance must be is equals to 5. So students, by using this concept, we will do the question number 15. Here I have already explained to you about this, and you can observe here the 1 to 3 point. 4, the point lies on the circle, point lies inside the circle, and point lies outside the circle. By using this concept, we will solve the question. So here we have question number 15. You have to check that This point lies inside, outside or on the circle? This is very easy question and very important question. So in this way students, we have center 0 0 and radius 5. By making this we get a circle. So you have to check this point lies inside or outside or on the circle. For that you have to just find the distance of this from the center. So let's start. Here given equation is x minus 0 whole squared plus y minus 0 whole squared is equals to square of 5, and here h and k are 0 0, that is origin, and radius is 5. Hence, we have center and radius for finding the distance between center and the given point. So, we use the distance formula. By putting these values, we get very easy. We get under root 18.50. That is less than the square of the radius. Okay students, if we do the square and put in the under root, then we get under root 25. तो आप स्टूडेंट देख सकते हैं कि 18.50 that is 18.50 is less than 25. So we get here this given point lies inside the circle. So students, in today's session we have completed the exercise first 11.1. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.